Hey everyone. Okay, so here is what you are going to work on today in language arts. Um, Assuming that you go into Google Classroom and open up the activity for today, you will inevitably open up this sixth grade fiction versus nonfiction notes. Now, this is actually a slideshow that is interactive. In other words, you have your own version and you're actually answering questions and doing other tasks on here. So, first, take a look. It says it's in pages 4 through 7 in the big yellow textbook. Good news, if you still forgot your textbook, there is a copy of pages 4 through 7 as a PDF. Or if you don't actually want to use your big yellow textbook, you can also use these PDF pages. Nonetheless, you have access to them, so use them. All right, we got page 4, 5, 6, and 7. Looking at the actual slideshow, there's not really anything to do on the first page, but if I keep on going through all the slides, using page 4, it says it in the instructions, okay? Using page 4, you'll fill out the chart for both of these types of genres, fiction and nonfiction. All right, you'll go through, try and fill out everything as accurately as possible. Remember, use the textbook, okay? As I keep on scrolling through, you'll notice now forms of fiction, that's page 5. So once again, you need to use the textbook, read from the textbook, and there are some pictures here and there are some words. You actually will need to take this and drag and drop it over which version you think it is. You'll do that for all three, for the series, for the novel, and for the short story. Make sure you match them correctly. Number 2 down here, make sure you answer this question. What is a novella? Again, it's all in the textbook. Use the textbook. Continuing on, theme in fiction, page 6. All right, so turning the textbook again, you've got a bunch of questions here that you need to answer. And then for number 4, same thing you did for the last slide. You're actually going to take these and drag them to the different story that they belong to. Now, you read Names Nombres and you read Stray earlier this year, so you should hopefully remember the themes. And then Frozen, maybe not everybody's seen it, but if you can do the other two, you'll be able to figure out Frozen. So again, make sure you're dragging those next to which one they belong to. All right. And on page 7, keep on moving to the central idea in nonfiction, defining more words. And still on page 7, there's information here about the author's purpose. Now, we will have a Kahoot on fiction and nonfiction when I get back on Wednesday. So that means that you need to have this activity done in class. If by some chance you do finish early, that's one of the reasons why you got your AR book, so you can read from your AR book for the remainder of class. If you did not finish this in time in class today, well, you're going to need to do it as homework, unfortunately. So make sure you have your Chromebook with you to take that home so you can finish it for homework. I believe that's about it. Hopefully you have a good class, good luck, and I will see you guys on Wednesday.